In this video, I'll show you how to clear app cache on your Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and load up your app list. Once inside your app list, you need to select the app that you want to clear the cache on. For this example, I'll just use Amazon Alexa. Once here, you need to click on storage usage. Once inside there, you can select clear data or clear cache. The cache is taking up 1.47 megabytes. If you select clear cache, you can see it now says 0. And that's how to clear app cache on an Android phone.